I'm Alex Buhadra. I'm a senior project manager at the Barnyard, and today we're in Lupton, Michigan at Valhalla Lodge, building a timber frame. Valhalla Lodge is a 1,000-acre wildlife preserve up here in the top of Michigan, home to deer, elk, tons of wildlife, and now a brand new timber frame barn. This barn is comprised of all different kinds of joinery that is very old technology, but we're doing it in a very modern way. Half flaps, mortise and tenons, oak pegs, all kinds of different fastening systems. It's all held together with different kind of wood-to-wood connections. So Valhalla Lodge behind me is primarily going to be used for a trophy room. In the basement, you'll find a gun range and a big gun safe. Upstairs, if you could take the stairs or the freight elevator in the back right corner. Above on this first floor, you'll find a kitchen, a lounge, and a cigar room. Stairs going up to a mezzanine that's directly above the kitchen that overlooks the entire structure. We provide services from Connecticut to come out and build with local contractors to get them up to speed and put the building up in a very timely manner, so everything fits properly and goes smoothly. So the Barnyard builds anywhere in the U.S., including Hawaii and Alaska. So we primarily build in New England, but we ship our kits, our timber frame kits, throughout the continental U.S. and Hawaii and Alaska. At the Barnyard, we try to make it as easy as possible for the customer to make a building like this come to life in their backyard or property. By doing so, you have one-on-one interactions with a project manager. You know who your designer is, you know who the engineer is, you know your team. You're very hands-on, very personable. We try to make that as simple as possible for every single customer.